Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to turn off the voice of your Google Map in your Android device. So this thing might be annoying to people, so if you want to remove it, simply search for maps. Now here you can see we are on the Google Maps, so it will look like this. Now you need to tap on your profile icon on the top right side. Now you can see settings, just tap on that settings and scroll down, and here you can see navigation settings, just tap on that, and here you can see sound and voice. So there are lots of options available, like if you want to play voice over Bluetooth, play voice during phone calls. So these are the optional settings, but the main setting is to turn play audio cue. So you need to turn this off, and you can turn the two as well. Okay, from now you won't be able to listen the annoying voice of that map if you don't want to listen. Okay, so in this way you can turn off your Google Map voice. Okay, so I hope you guys understand how you can do this. If you still have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.